All right, let's look at our objectives. It says, I can identify and name two-dimensional shapes. Today we're going to be learning about hexagons. Say hexagon.
Hexagon.
Okay.
Very good. So I'm going to draw a picture of a puppet. And you're going to tell me what shapes I used to draw my picture. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Now don't call out the shapes until I'm all done. Okay, here's my puppet. Tristan, what did I use to draw my hat?
Triangle.
A triangle, very good. Angelise, what shape is the puppet's body? What shape is that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, good. Demasion, what shape did I use for his feet?
Square.
Squares. And Addison, what shape did I use for his head? Right here. Very good, circle. So we have triangle, circle, rectangle, and squares. Very good.
Only on the top. I can still see it.
It's okay.
Okay,
I want you to think about this question. Nadine has a pictured collection of different shapes. She wants to sort out all of the hexagons. How will Nadine know which shapes are hexagons? Think about it. Look at this hexagon. A hexagon has how many sides? Can you tell me?
10.
Well, let's count them.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. So hexa means 6. What does hexa mean? 6. So in this activity, we're going to find hexagons. Look at the word hexagons. And shapes that are not hexagons will go on this side. So what goes on this side? Hexagons. What goes on this side? Alright, everything that's not a hexagon will go over here. Let's see. Jalen, come and pull one hexagon to the hexagon side.
You know it's not paying.
Yeah, I'm going to change it.
I can't see because you're on the No, it's not.
Push this button up here. There you go.
Very good. Choose someone who's sitting super duper quiet with their hands in their lap. Now this friend is going to choose a shape to go on the not hexagons side.
I'm gonna push the button.
Very good. And what shape is that?
Circle.
Circle. Choose someone who's super quiet. Can you tell me what shape that is? Rectangle. Choose someone. Now this person will put a hexagon on the hexagon side. Choose quickly. He's a boy. Okay, Demajan, choose a shape that's not a hexagon to put on this side. That's not a hexagon. Very good. Choose someone else. Uh-oh. There you go. Choose a hexagon. Very good. Is that a hexagon? There you go. All right, that's it. Okay, now you're going to tell me where I need to put each of these shapes. Where do I put this square?
On the non-hexagon.
Very
I
good.
can see another one.
What is this shape?
On the
So
hexagon.
where should it go?
On the hexagon side. That is
How about
forward.
this shape? What is
On the
that?
non-hexagon.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Non-hexagon.
Non-hexagon.
7. Okay, go. 8. Non-hexagon. 10. Non-hexagon. 10. Non-hexagon.
Okay, I want you to think for a minute. How many hexagons are on the hexagon side?
4.
Count them.
Think time. Think time.
Hugh, how many hexagons do you see?
4.
4. Now let's count the not hexagon shape. Think about it. Count them. Natasha, how many are not hexagons? Did you count them?
2.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So how many, Natasha? 10 are not hexagons. So now we need to think about how Nadine will know which shapes are hexagons. How do you find that out? Who can tell me? Addison. How will she find out which ones are not, or which ones are hexagons?
Because they don't have knots, they just have hexagons.
How many sides do they have?
3, 6.
6. So a hexagon has to have how many sides?
6.
6. Very good.
Mark on
Okay, let's look at all these shapes. And again, before we mark an X on all the ones that are hexagons, what did you say that lets you know what a hexagon is? Justin, how do we know?
Hexagon.
Has what?
6 sides.
It does. It has 6 sides. So would this shape right here be a hexagon?
No.
How do you know it's not one?
Because
Patrick?
it has 4.
It has 4 sides, right? Okay, so let me call on some friends that can come put an X on the ones that are hexagons. First of all these shapes the same?
No. It's
No,
different.
they are. They're different. They're all different.
1, 4.
Alright, when you come to mark your X, I want you to say hexagon, okay? Let's see, Emily. Tell me, what shape is that?
Hexagon.
All right, pass it to a boy. Quick, quick.
I can see. What?
What is the shape?
Hexagon.
Pass it to a girl. Quick.
Hexagon.
Good job. All right, pass it to a boy. Quick, no question. There you go.
Ow! Actually, those were my only boys I was the textbook. Jane.
What shape is that?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Very good. How many hexagons did we find? Show me with your hands. I should see 4. Very good. Let's go through and say the name of these shapes that are not hexagons. Triangle. We're not counting. We're saying the name of it.
Triangle.
Square. What is this?
Square.
Square.
Circle.
Rectangle.
Circle. Hexagon.
Is that a hexagon?
No.
What is that? Triangle.
Rectangle.
Remember, we were only saying the shapes that were not hexagons.
Not counting.
Okay.
The button picture.
Okay, listen, guys. Listen. When you get your book, you're going to turn to this page where you see the crowd. You're going to color every hexagon that you see. So, when you get your book, are you going to color the triangles?
No.
Are you going to color the rectangles?
No.
What shape will you color?
Hexagon.
So listen for your name. When you get your book, go to your table and turn to the page where you see the crowd, okay? And then after you color, listen, after you color your hexagon, put your pencil in the air because we're going to come back to the carpet to make sure you know your hexagon shapes.
When you get your book, you need to turn it one page.
No.
Jalen, Emily, Tristan, Americus, Formation, Merritt,
Braxton.
Justin, Jackson.
Hi. How are you, Watley?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good. Are you turning?
You did. Jackson,
Alexis,
Carly, Natasha, Patrick, Embry, Olivia.
Miss Watley. I'll drop my book in the clothes.
already on the right page.
I dropped my book right here when
Blue table's ready. That's Olivia and that's Embry. You already done? Yeah, there's one big one left. You're still not coloring yet. You're not following directions.
You don't need a pencil. I love the way that I see red table working quietly. I love the way that I see yellow table working quietly. The friends who are done, they are sitting and waiting. They're being very patient. What you have to do is say, please pass the crayons. Y'all don't need to be getting a bunch of crayons. You get one crayon and color your doll. Hugh, we're not making designs. Here, color your crayons.
Merrick, you're not done?
If you're done with the pie, put a check. That's all it's saying. No, it's still
I know Carly's ready. Angelise is.
I'm done. I go
Carly's got her pencil in the air, so she's done. If you're done, put your pencil in the air so we can go back to the carpet.
Red table's ready. Everyone's got theirs colored.
I'm done.
Okay, it looks like just about everyone is done. You, are you done? Okay, you better finish up.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I want blue table to go to the carpet. Green table go to the carpet. Quietly. Red table go to the carpet. Do you hear me? And yellow table.
We're going to the carpet.
Quietly.
You're done. We're not trading crayons and stuff. You didn't finish, then you didn't finish.
I know. Stop talking. Okay, so let's look at our crowd. It has many shapes, but I asked you to color what shape? Hexagon. So who can tell me which shape is a hexagon? Who can point out one? Demasion? So color one hexagon for me. All right. Who can color one more? Americus. That's good enough. Thank you. Let's see. Patrick. Okay, am I done?
No.
Are you sure?
No. There's 2 more.
2 more?
Yes. 3
Let's
more.
see. Natasha?
That's a good one.
Very good, Natasha. And Jackson, I want you to find our last hexagon. Now are we done?
No.
Let's count them.
Yeah.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 hexagons. Very good.
No, 6 of them. Look what's the
I love the way Addison's still sitting quietly, and Embry and Tristan and Alexis. I know that they're listening and being on their best behavior. Alright, let's look at these shapes we see up here. How many shapes do we see all together?
2.
Count think about it, count. Think time. Embry, how many shapes do you see up here?
5.
Yes, there are 5 shapes. Are they all hexagons?
No.
No, they aren't.
2.
Show me with your hands how many hexagons you see.
2.
I said show me with your hands. 2, right? Okay, so we're going to mark an X on the hexagons that we see. Braxton, will you come mark an X on the hexagon?
It's on click. Yeah, click it.
What shape is that, Braxton?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Pass that pen to Americus. That button right there. No, that button right there. This one. Right there. What shape is that, Americus?
Hexagon.
It's a hexagon. Okay. What you're going to do next is you're going to go to your seat and you're going to be drawing hexagons. How do we know how to draw a hexagon?
Look on the bottom. No. We just copied that.
Copy it. Well, what if I copied this one?
No.
No. How do I know that this is not a hexagon?
A con. Because it has 4 sides.
This
No,
has 4?
3. 3.
Great. Well, how many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
6. So when I go to my seat and I draw a hexagon, how many sides am I going to make? 6. Okay? So when you go to your seat, you need to turn your page 1 page
2 pages.
and go under the shapes and draw a hexagon. You have the hexagons up here that you can look at to try to draw the hexagon underneath. And we're going to come around and look and see if you made your hexagon with how many sides? 6 sides. You may stand up, tiptoe to your seat. Do it very quickly.
I'm gonna run.